Hello everyone, my name is Ivo and welcome to Cooking with the Koyas. Great to see you folks, because today we are going to pan sear some beautiful scallops. Yes, these are going to be absolutely amazing. It is not hard to do, folks, but I've got a simple little marinade we're going to put together, and we're going to pan sear these on cast iron pan. Going to be delicious. Let's get started right now. So let's start by preparing our marinade. So we're going to start off, we're going to take the juice of 1 lemon. There's a half. Let's get the other half juiced. And don't worry about the seeds. Everything can go in. Okay. Juice from 1 lemon. To that, we are going to add, I have here 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced. So we're going to add our minced garlic. Okay. And now we're going to add a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. You could just use regular olive oil if you'd like. And half a cup. In it goes. Last ingredient, Old Bay Seasoning. 1.5 teaspoons of Old Bay. Mix that in together. I'm not going to add any salt because the Old Bay has got a touch of salt in it as well. Okay, the marinade is ready. Let's now take our beautiful scallops. They are very nice. Take our marinade, pour it in. Now these only have to sit for 10 minutes. Just let them sit in that marinade for 10 minutes and soak up all those juices. This is going to start to develop some flavors right now. So there we go. We'll just let them sit. These came out of the fridge, so it doesn't hurt that they come up to room temp a little. So 10 minutes at room temp here, sitting in the marinade, and then we'll start frying. Time to fire up our cast iron. Of course, if you don't have cast iron, just use your regular frying pan. That's non-issue. And regarding the Old Bay seasoning, if you don't have Old Bay seasoning, just use some paprika and a little bit of black pepper. All right, so you want enough butter that's going to coat the bottom of the pan and make sure that nothing sticks. So I'm going to start off with about a good 1/4 cup here. Might even be closer to a half cup of butter. We're going to melt that in. So as this starts to melt, I'm also going to take a tablespoon of our marinade and another tablespoon of our marinade. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of our marinade in with that butter and continue to cook this butter down. Almost done. There we go, folks. We got a good sizzle going right now. Some good heat. Plenty of butter. All right. Let's take our beautiful scallops and let's add them. One at a time. Make our way around. There we go, beautiful. All right, so we're going to let those cook now. We are not going to turn these. We'll let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We want them to get browned up on the one side, and then we'll flip them just the once and cook the other side. But this is on medium-high right now. Going to adjust it to go a little bit higher. There we go. All right, let's let these go for a couple more minutes. So let's take a look and see how they're doing. They shouldn't stick. Oh, look at that. That's what you want right there, folks. That's a nice sear. Oh yeah, look at there, look at there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, if they do stick, just very gently go underneath, but that's why I used a little bit of extra butter there. Oh, folks. Now, it took almost 3 minutes here. This part now is only going to take about 2 minutes, okay, because it's already started to cook through. So 2 more minutes and this will be done. But take a look at that, folks. Oh my goodness. Isn't that nice? Okay, it's been about 1.5 minutes and that looks like it's going to be enough. I do not want to overcook them, but take a looky there, folks. You're talking restaurant quality right here. Oh boy. That little marinade was the key, folks, I'm telling you. Oh boy. I'm getting excited now. How's that on that side? That's perfect. Look at that, folks. My goodness. Oh, am I going to love this taste test? Oh my goodness, folks. Seared, I'm going to say scallops or scallops. That they're pronounced either way, but these folks are going to be amazing. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Take the biggest one right in the middle. Why not, right? What is it about seafood? Not overcooked. One of the keys. Delicious. The butter, the lemon, and the garlic. Folks, if you're a seafood lover, let me tell you something. You saw how quick and easy that was to come together. Okay, you got to let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes, but short of that, it's another 5 minutes on the stove, done. You want a great appetizer for your next meal with friends and family? This is it right there, folks. Absolutely delicious. Okay, I won't be greedy. I'll take the small one. Hope you give this recipe a try. It's always great to spend time with you in the kitchen. And until next time, buon appetito. Bite size. Oh, so good. Cheers.